Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on History of Trade Union Movement in India. I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In the present lecture, we will try to understand the process of industrialization in India and its impact on Indian labor force, especially with reference to the problems of Indian labor. The trade union movement in India, it came to India from Great Britain along with industrialization. The first cotton mill was established in 1851 in Bombay, while jute mill in 1855 in Bengal. Later on, number of factories began to increase in Bombay and Bengal. The Indian workers had become unemployed because of English or British products. The British products were cheaper than Indian products because of mechanization. Very soon, Indian market was taken over by British products. Due to this, Indian workers who were primarily involved in handicrafts became unemployed. Some of the workers could adjust in the agriculture sector, while the remaining workers started working as factory laborers. The modern factory system brought the women and children also to the factory as workers. The need of family and women and children made them to accept the unjust working conditions. Illiteracy was one of the major problems of Indian labor force. Against the exploitation that was result of all these cumulative factors, trade union movement in India started. As regards the era or span of trade union movement in India is concerned, it can be divided into three parts or three phases. First is the primitive phase or primitive stage, which spans from 1850 to 1900. The second phase begins with 1900 to 1950, and the third phase begins from or began from 1950 to 1991. I have taken it as 91 because after 91 there started economic reforms which has its own impact on labor force in India. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.